Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Queens. So today there's a lot that's going on in the market right now. There's a lot of new news that has come out. So something pretty interesting, and I'm going to get into a little bit about this here in a few minutes. Um, there's a lot about backed. So I'm going to go to what it is and go from there. So on CoinDesk, if you look up, what is backed. So I just wanted to go and give a backstory before I get into some of the news that's going on here about physical BTC, Bitcoin being delivered in the future. Um, I'm still kind of curious about how that would work because I kind of think the point of Bitcoin is to have it all digital. So we're taking away the physical properties of it. So we'll see how that works. But so here it is. Bakkt is a Bitcoin futures exchange and digital assets platform founded in 2018 by the Intercontinental Exchange, or ICE, the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange. The company initially planned to open its futures exchange in 2018, but postponed its launch due to the volume of interest and the work required to prepare its services. The launch of the futures exchange was subsequently delayed several times after due to regulatory issues, reportedly pertaining to asset custody. Bakkt began testing its platform in July 2019 while waiting for regulatory approval to take the platform live. Bakkt partnered with multiple organizations to build its platform, including Boston Consulting Group, BCG, Microsoft, and Starbucks. Bakkt's goal is for people to use cryptocurrencies in everyday life seamlessly over its network. Furthermore, the company has partnered with major investment groups, including Fortress Investment Group, Eagle 7, and Susquehanna International Group, with the aim of building a path for major money managers to offer Bitcoin mutual funds, pension funds, and exchange traded funds, or ETFs. In 2019, Bakkt announced that it had acquired digital asset custody company DAC to bolster its crypto asset custody and storage. At the same time, the company said it was also working closely with global bank BNY Mellon to develop private key storage solutions. So it's pretty cool, the whole premise of Bakkt, I think, to, make it more easily usable for the everyday person. I know I had mentioned this previously that I think it was Fidelity that's doing some like holding of cryptocurrencies for people and asset management. So I think this is more, from what I get from this, it's more so trying to make it more accessible, like to use at different stores and places and things like that, but also hold it as like, for pension, retirement type funds, things like that. Um, so it seems pretty cool. I honestly don't know a whole ton about it, but what really interested me here was that I see this Bakkt Warehouse launches deposits and withdrawals as planned. So there's a lot about them on Cointelegraph here. So here it is. So it says Bakkt Warehouse, a qualified custodian of crypto trading platform Bakkt, is now accepting customer Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals. So here it goes. The first physical BTC futures on the way. As the company tweeted on September 6, Bakkt Warehouse has officially launched in accordance with the plans revealed on August 28th. The launch of Bakkt Warehouse comes as the company prepares to roll out its platform for Bitcoin daily and monthly futures in the United States on September 23rd. The platform will enable two types of physically delivered Bitcoin futures with end-to-end regulated markets and custody as previously reported. According to a Bloomberg report, Bakkt will be the first platform to offer physically delivered Bitcoin futures if launched successfully. In contrast to the existing cash-settled Bitcoin futures offered by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and the Chicago Board Options Exchange, Bakkt's physically settled futures will enable clients to receive payment in Bitcoin once the futures contract expires. So their operating structure here. Once launched, trades will take place on the futures platform run by Bakkt's parent company, the Intercontinental Exchange ICE, while clearing will be settled through ICE Clear. Meanwhile, custody will be operated by Bakkt Trust Company, which reportedly received a charter from the New York State Department of Financial Services to hold clients' crypto funds in August 2019. In turn, Bakkt Warehouse will be moving Bitcoin from short positions to long positions at expiration, which will lead to the actual delivery of Bitcoin. At press time, Bitcoin is nearing the $11,000 mark and is trading at $10,883, up to 3.09% on the day, according to data from Coin360. So a commenter wrote on here, I'm missing the point of having a physically delivered BTC. I'm kind of on the same page with them because I don't really understand what the point of it would be. So we'll get more into that later, as more news come out. This just came out today, as you can see, September 6, 2019. So we'll get into this a little bit more later on and just kind of see what all comes of this. But a cool news, kind of rumor-ish thing that happened. I mean, this is not a rumor, but there's a lot of different articles about this buzzing around right now. So this is pretty cool. The mystery 94,000 BTC transaction becomes richest non-exchange address. So if you look down and just kind of read, this is really cool. So the recipient wallet of the $1 billion BTC transaction on September 6 is now presumed to be the first richest non-exchange address. It just happened today. The recipient wallet of the massive 94,504 BTC, Bitcoin, almost 1 billion or over 1 billion, transaction is the top richest Bitcoin address that is not reportedly associated with any crypto related company, according to data from monitoring resource BitInfo charts. And here you can see all of these different addresses and their balances. So someone out there, 164,000 BTC, all of these. So here's this one. Number 5 is the one from today. A third of the coins came from Huobi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. According to data by London-based blockchain data provider Token Analyst, at least 1/3 of the mysterious transaction directly originates from Huobi exchange. I'm going to call it Huobi. Another analyst, blockchain data and metrics from Glassnode, tweeted that at least 73,000 BTC from the transaction originated from Huobi. According to the earlier tweet by Crypto Herpes Cat, interesting name, at least 2 Bitcoin wallets involved in the notable transaction belong to Huobi. One of the specified wallets is directly involved in the transaction. Cointelegraph has reached out to Huobi for comments, to which the exchange's representative responded, as we don't generally disclose information about transactions, we can only confirm that the transfer of funds did not involve Huobi's own funds, and that, with exchanges as big as ours, large transactions like this one can and do occur from time to time. Our security team has been monitoring the situation carefully and has found no evidence of any compromises in account security. All client funds remain safe and secure. Rumors run wild. As reported earlier today, crypto monitoring resource Whale Alert stated that the much discussed transaction did not involve any known wallets or those belonging to any specific crypto exchange or any crypto related firm. Some analysts suggest that funds may be tied to institutional trading platform Bakkt, which starts accepting client deposits today. Meanwhile, Huobi, which is ranked 20th biggest crypto exchange by adjusted daily trading volume at press time, was reported to have seen the highest number of withdrawals from the alleged crypto Ponzi scheme Plus token by August 23rd. Huobi did not respond to Cointelegraph's inquiry about the transfer by press time. So it's something interesting just to monitor. That's just some new news updates. This was just only a couple for you. We're just kind of ease into it. Check out Cointelegraph. If you're not already on there, they have some really cool insight news articles coming out all the time, not just about Bitcoin, but about all of their tokens as well. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you back here next time.